Welcome to JH. In this guide, I'll demonstrate how to recover your Netflix password if you've lost it. While you can't view the old one, you can easily reset it by following these steps. First, visit Netflix.com and select the Sign In option at the top. If you don't remember your credentials, simply click on the Forgot Password link. The site will prompt you to reset via email or text. I'll select the email method for this example. Enter your registered email address and hit the Email Me button. Once you receive the message, click Reset Password to open your account settings. Enter your new password in the first field and confirm it in the second to avoid any errors. You can also check the box to log out of all other devices before clicking Save to finalize the change. Your password is now updated. Be sure to record it somewhere safe for future use. If this tutorial helped, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.